Thinking about launching a YouTube channel focused on AI-generated stories? You're in the right spot. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to conceptualize your AI story channel, create compelling videos using AI tools, optimize your channel and videos for maximum views on YouTube. Let's dive in. If you look around YouTube, you'll notice that popular AI story channels often center around a specific idea or theme. For example, look at this channel called the AI Bible. Their videos reimagine biblical stories, created entirely with AI. Likewise, History in a Nutshell brings historical events to life with engaging and accessible storytelling. Or check out AI Trailerverse, which cleverly recreates movie trailers using AI tools. Why is this focus so important? To understand that, you need to know what makes a video perform well in the eyes of the YouTube algorithm. It boils down to a few key metrics. The main ones we'll look at are watch time, audience engagement, and click-through rate, or CTR. First up, watch time. Pretty straightforward. The longer viewers stay glued to your video, the better YouTube thinks it is. Bonus points if they click on another one of your videos from the end screen. Next, audience engagement. This includes likes, comments, shares, and subscribes. More interaction signals to YouTube that your content is resonating. And finally, click-through rate. This is simply the ratio of viewers who click on your video compared to the number of people who see the video thumbnail. While higher is generally better, don't get hung up on finding one ideal CTR number for your channel. Why? Because typical CTRs are very different for different traffic sources. People behave differently when browse their homepage versus actively searching for something. So the smart way to use CTR is for relative comparison within the same traffic source. Analyzing CTR this way, comparing like-for-like traffic sources, gives you valuable clues about how effective your thumbnails and titles are in specific parts of the YouTube ecosystem. So, how does this connect to niching down? Consider this scenario. You gain subscribers who absolutely love your AI Bible videos. They followed you for that specific topic. Now, if you suddenly pivot and release a video about the economics, you create an audience mismatch. Your existing subscribers likely won't click because it's outside their interest, or they'll drop off quickly if they do. This viewer behavior tells the YouTube algorithm that the video isn't satisfying your established audience. Consequently, YouTube won't promote it effectively to new viewers, stalling the video's growth. So, sticking to a specific niche helps attract a dedicated audience genuinely interested in all your content. Okay, let's say you decide your channel will feature fantasy AI-generated stories. Now you need a catchy name. How do you find one? This is where our first AI tool comes in handy, TubeMagic. In TubeMagic, navigate to Micro Tools and select Channel Name Generator. Type in a description of your channel's theme. For example, medieval fantasy AI stories. Click Generate. Instantly, you get several creative channel name ideas. Whispered Realms, Chronicles Unchained, Mystic Echoes. They are so good. Let's try generating again. And that's it. Instant channel name ideas. Once you have your name, you need a compelling channel description and relevant channel tags. These tell YouTube exactly what your channel is about. Back in TubeMagic, while there isn't a dedicated channel tag tool yet, you can use the video tag generator. Input your channel name and a description of your channel's focus. The tags generated work great for both individual videos and your overall channel tags. For description, similarly, head to the Video Description Generator, enter your channel name and theme, click Generate, and voila, a solid starting point for your channel description. Now that the channel framework is ready, let's talk about actually making the videos. We can break this down into 4 main stages: scripting, editing, including voiceover and visuals, Thumbnail creation, uploading, and optimization. For scripting, AI tools like ChatGPT can be incredibly helpful. You don't have to start from scratch. Try a prompt like, create an engaging YouTube video script for a fantasy story. Use storytelling techniques optimized for viewer retention, building suspense from start to finish. ChatGPT can generate a full script quickly. You can refine the prompt further if your channel is highly specific. You can even feed it previous scripts to maintain continuity. If you admire a specific channel's style, you can use TubeMagic's Video Ideas feature. Paste the channel handle and it will generate video ideas inspired by their content. Once you have 10 to 20 of your own videos published, you can even input your own channel handle to get ideas tailored to your existing content. From there, clicking Generate Script gives you a unique script based on that idea. If you want to try TubeMagic, I've left a link in the description below. Check it out for a special offer. Okay, script in hand, it's time to actually produce the video. This involves getting your voiceover, sourcing or creating visuals, and editing it all together. For a compelling voiceover, AI tools like ElevenLabs are fantastic. You simply paste in your script, choose a voice that really fits the tone of your AI story.
Our presence automatically liberates others.
Maybe something mysterious or epic. Preview it.
This is the story of a boy who dared to enter the woods after dark.
And download the audio file. I'll leave a link for this tool below. Once you have that great audio, you need to combine it with your visuals through video editing. A really user-friendly program for this is CapCut. You can also find it in the description below. Now, I'm not going to do a full deep dive editing tutorial in this video. I actually have a separate video where I show my process for creating mystery YouTube shorts, and I'll link that in the description so you can check that out if you want to see CapCut in action. But while you're editing, keep a couple of crucial things in mind to keep viewers hooked. First, that opening minute is critical. Make it highly engaging with maybe some faster cuts, dynamic transitions, and tease the core mystery right away to pique curiosity. Second, think about your story structure throughout the video. A great technique is to maintain interest by only revealing the answer to one question after you've already introduced the next intriguing element. Keep them in that loop. And speaking of what people see, your visuals. Instead of just using static AI-generated images, consider bringing them to life. Use AI animation tools to turn those stills into short video clips. It adds a huge amount of dynamism. If you're wondering how to do that, I cover creating consistent AI characters and animating them in this video that pops up in the corner. I'll also leave a link to it in the description. All right, so your video masterpiece is edited. But wait, before you hit upload, you need that all-important thumbnail. Think of it as your video's movie poster. It's absolutely crucial for grabbing attention in a crowded feed. Tools like Canva make designing these really accessible. When you're creating your thumbnail, focus on consistency. Develop a distinct style so your subscribers instantly recognize your videos when they pop up on their homepage. That recognition really helps boost your click-through rate. Also, don't design in a vacuum. Do a little research. Look at other successful channels in your AI story niche. What do their thumbnails look like, especially on their most popular videos? You don't want to copy, but you can definitely get inspired and model elements that are clearly working for them. Okay, video's done, and the thumbnail is ready. Now it's time for uploading and optimization. Remember, just throwing the video file onto YouTube isn't the end of the story. You need to optimize your metadata. That's your title, description, and tags. This is how you tell YouTube exactly what your video is about, so it can recommend it to the right audience. Here's a simple workflow using TubeMagic that works really well. First, upload your video to YouTube, but set its visibility to unlisted. Once it's processed, copy that unlisted video link. Then, head over to TubeMagic. Paste the link into their video optimization tool. TubeMagic will analyze your video and give you tailored suggestions for powerful titles, keyword-rich descriptions, and relevant tags, all designed to help your video get discovered on YouTube. All right, that covers the core steps to creating and optimizing your own AI story YouTube channel. Put these tips into practice, and you'll be well on your way. Now, if you want to learn about how to make consistent AI characters, check out this video right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.